Hi everyone, I'm Julie, and this is a special home episode of Library Bytes. Let's get right to our question. Do you have any ideas to help keep my kids occupied while staying home? That's a great question. Reading is always a good choice, and we have a lot of downloadable options on our website. You can download ebooks, audiobooks, magazines, and even movies with your library card. You can also take a scavenger walk. Make sure to visit our website for a checklist of fun things to find. Another great activity you can do with your kids is chalk art. It keeps them busy and gets them outside. I have been seeing some really creative chalk art designs on my walks around the neighborhood. The stained glass chalk art is my personal favorite. Let's give it a try. Luckily, I have been staying home and staying safe with someone who can help. All you need is chalk, tape, and if you want, a shape cut out of cardboard. If you are using a cardboard shape, place that on the ground first. Place your tape. Now for the fun part. Color it in. Remove your tape. Feel free to add a message. That's it for this special home episode of Library Bytes. Thanks for all your great questions. Keep sending them or leaving them, along with photos of your chalk art, in the comments below.